I have been a supporter of technology in the schools going back to 1998 when I received a $10 million grant from the U.S. Department of Ed to teach teachers how to integrate technology into the curriculum. It has always been my belief that the purpose of education is to prepare students for their future. Well, technology is here to stay, and this video of Santa Fe Public Schools Office of Information Technology tells you the many things they are doing to prepare our students for their future. Thank you to the community for supporting the Educational Technology Note, which has allowed the district to provide every student and teacher with a device.
Hello, Santa Fe. Today we're excited to share how technology is transforming learning and operations at Santa Fe Public Schools. Our district is dedicated to integrating technology that empowers our students, supports our educators, and builds pathways to the future. From one-to-one devices to Wi-Fi enabled electric buses, we're setting the stage for a more connected, equitable, and innovative learning environment. At Santa Fe Public Schools, our mission is to provide every student with the best education possible. Technology helps us foster a safe and engaging space for lifelong learning and development. Let's explore some key initiatives making this vision a reality. Our district is constantly exploring new ways to imagine new pathways for student success beyond the classroom. We're looking at opportunities in fields like computer science, robotics, natural and sustainable resources, and even electric vehicle maintenance. Programs like these provide practical, hands-on experiences, setting students up for success in high-demand New Mexico careers. Additionally, we're working to expand partnerships with local businesses and higher education institutions to give students real-world experience through internships, mentorships, and advanced training programs.
Thank you, Santa Fe, for supporting our schools. For 10 years, our community has supported the Education Technology Note, providing vital funds for district and classroom technology, digital resources, and digital learning coaches in our schools. Our one-to-one device program ensures that every student in SFPS has access to their own learning devices. This initiative supports our commitment to digital equity, especially for students who may not have reliable access at home. Through one-to-one devices and digital resources, students can access assignments, collaborate on projects, and build essential digital skills.
Santa Fe Public Schools acknowledges the importance of emerging technologies such as generative artificial intelligence. More and more, we are seeing the integration of artificial intelligence in our digital resources and curriculum. During this pivotal time, we are actively exploring ways generative AI can support the work of teachers and staff through enhancing the efficiency of routine workflows and personalizing learning experiences for students. Our approach to integrating artificial intelligence isn't just about teaching teachers and students how to use AI, but promoting and developing AI literacy, helping all learners understand how AI works and its potential impacts across all fields. Teachers can leverage AI tools to craft lessons that encourage problem solving and critical thinking, helping prepare students for life and careers in a world with AI. We're excited to see how our students engage with AI as active members of their communities and the innovative thinkers of tomorrow.
At SFPS, we believe every child deserves the resources they need to succeed. That's why we've introduced the AMIRA program, an AI-powered reading tutor that helps young students with personalized literacy support. This tool provides real-time feedback, adapting to each student's unique reading level and pacing to build confidence and skill. Early outcomes have shown that AMIRA is boosting reading fluency, encouraging children to read independently, and helping teachers support each student more effectively. It's another step in making personalized learning a reality for every student.
We are also leading the way in sustainability and connectivity, transportation has introduced electric school buses to reduce emissions and foster a cleaner, healthier environment for our students and community. We currently have 8 electric buses with plans to expand in the next few years. In addition, the technology department has purchased 4 electric vans with Santa Fe Public Schools technicians. These vehicles are part of our commitment to sustainability and our efforts to reduce operational costs over time. With Wi-Fi access on all buses, students can stay connected on their way to and from school. This initiative supports digital equity by allowing students, especially those with limited internet access at home, to get a head start on assignments and extended learning during their commute.
Our district is constantly exploring new ways to imagine new pathways for student success beyond the classroom. We're looking at opportunities in fields like computer science, robotics, natural and sustainable resources, and even electric vehicle maintenance. Programs like these provide practical, hands-on experiences, setting students up for success in high-demand New Mexico careers. Additionally, we're working to expand partnerships with local businesses and higher education institutions to give students real-world experience through internships, mentorships, and advanced training programs.
In closing, we would like to thank our students, staff, families, and community for their continued support of our mission. At SFPS, we're committed to making sure every student has access to the technology and resources they need to thrive. Together, we're building a brighter future for our students, our schools, and our community. Thank you again, and we look forward to seeing how our students grow and succeed with these tools in place.